Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a first time viewer, this is EG Chris, my K24 EG build. Last video I opened up my parts. Today we're gonna install them. Let's get started. Right here we got the K-tuned thermostat plug to eliminate the heater cord. This is real simple to put in. Got my Milwaukee electric ratchet. This thing's badass. I recommend it to anyone. It's as simple as a 10. 10 on the housing. Throw the plug in. Push it in. Throw this bracket in there. All that does is just keep this from moving. Tighten her up. And there she's in. Too easy. Now this, the bypass hose, that might be a bitch. Let's see how it goes. Next, I gotta set up these K-tuned brackets. So I'm going to simply measure across. It's about 13 inches, give or take. Now I'm gonna have to come over here, mark this out 13 inches, drill some holes, put those brackets in. Much later in the day, coming back to work on my car, I stopped off at my job to borrow a drill, do some self-tapper. Shout out to the shop, shout out to Gabino and the crew. Let's get started. Before I was setting up the radiator, I had some clearance issues, so I just cut a little slit here and I bent this spot welded tab. I bent it in so it's pretty much straight. I'm just gonna throw some primer, some paint on there. Also, when I was doing the left side bracket here, the factory mount was in the way, so I beat that one out and I'm gonna prime and paint that. I got some self tappers. Let's get them going. Let's end up and primed it. Same thing down there. In the meantime, got this plug in the mail since I took out the air conditioning in this car. Got this gaping hole right here. The battery sits in front of it, but I don't want any exhaust coming in the car, so I'm gonna plug this up. Got the OEM battery tie down I'll put in. Let's go do that right now. I'm gonna remove the factory manifold, which is a real big piece of doo-doo. It's loud as hell the way it is, so it's time to get her out. I figured out that I had to separate it, but lucky for me I didn't take out the exhaust, so I'm gonna have to do that now. This thing's got more spider webs than a damn cave. Well, hopefully I don't turn into Spider-Man and I'll start a new YouTube channel. Let's get this started. Alright, after a long night, got the battery tie down done. I mean, that's a 5-second job. Little plugs in there, can't really see. Put the PLM header in. It's looking real good. I had to take the factory exhaust out. It was about time I took that out. But yeah, I think that's where I'm gonna leave off today. It's getting pretty late, but I'm glad you guys stuck around and watched to the end. Like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at egchris92. Later.